Hello guys, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to export codebook from SPSS into Excel. Let's begin. First of all, open your dataset in SPSS. Here, I have already opened my dataset in SPSS. All my variables are labeled. Here, all my variables are labeled, and all categorical variables like gender, nationality, they are all categorized. They are all given value levels. I like to export the codebook from SPSS into Excel file. For that, I will be using syntax. Go to File, then New, and then Syntax. There is a function named display, and we would like to display dictionary. Here it is dictionary. Now run this code. Here it gives us two tables, one with the variable informations and another with the value labels for the categorical variables. Here the first table gives the label of each variable, whether it is which type of measurement scale and different role, the column wise alignment and all. And second table gives the value and levels of each categorical variables. You can do this visually also. In order to do that, go to your dataset and then file, go to display data file information and then working file. Here, this will also gives the same result. Now let's export this. In order to do that, just select the table, then left click, then copy special, and then uncheck this too. Just ensure that you have checked Excel OXI. Okay, then open your Excel sheet and then left click, paste special. It is in PIFF 5 format. Okay, here it is exported. First table is exported over here, and let's export the next table. Go to the output table, left click, copy special, uncheck the these formats. Okay, then paste it in. In this way, you can export the codebook from SPSS into Excel file.